On this episode of 120 Seconds, audio instructor Nagaris Johnson and recent gold record recipient is going to show you his unique reverb technique for ad-libs.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Nagaris Johnson. I'm about to show you guys how to add a cool reverb effect to ad-libs. First thing we want to do is create some reverb. Typical sidechain pattern here. Go on new track, adding reverb. So we're going to name this lib reverb. It creates the track for you, routes it for you, names it. We're holding command and then clicking on the S to solo safe it, and then adding our reverb to it. All right, so we have our reverb. As you know, I send. This is how much we're sending. So we're just going to pull this down for now. The key in this trick is adding the compressor under the reverb, and I'm just going to use the simple, again, stock plugin, Dyne 3. The key is to sidechain this reverb. So I'm going to come back here under a send, and I'm going to use a bus, just bus 1, and I'm going to rename it lib verb key. So now I have this particular bus, and then I'm going to go to my plugin, make sure I have the key on, go to my key, and I'm going to find lib verb key. So now I'm sending this to trigger the actual track. Put my sidechain name. That means that I want to use this actual key, turn the key on. My reverb is happening, so this first reverb send is triggering the reverb. Now I can use this vocal to push down the compressor so it stops the reverb from happening, and then the reverb happens after the fact.
Dead in, I'm locked in with it. Run up a check like phone digits, ducked in the coop. Dead in, I'm locked in with it. Run up a check like phone digits, ducked in the coop. With my hitters, 22 for the pound, come get it, don't get it, hold the Glock.
You can hear the reverb kind of come in after the fact based on my release time on the compressor.
Dead in, I'm locked in with it. Run up a check like phone digits, ducked in the coop. With my hitters, 22 for the pound, come get it, don't get it, hold the Glock. But I got it, sports mode when I drive. Gun 41s, I got it, make it rain, watch, see poppin'.
This cool trick allows you to use a compressor to duck the reverb out of the way and then allow the reverb to come in after the fact. It's for a cool vocal effect. So you can do this with singers, rappers on ad-libs, pretty much whatever you want, just to create a cool texture.
My hitters, 22 for the pound, come get it, don't get it, hold the Glock. But I got it, sports mode when I drive. Gun 41s, I got it, make it rain, watch, see poppin'. Back door, getting more cash and checks, bitch, I'm ballin'.